Last night my car wouldn't start. Let's just see if this thing works. Love this kind of lighting. Like, I wish anytime somebody wanted to take outdoor sessions, like outdoor photos, I wish that the lighting was like this every single time, because it's perfect. I mean, look. So check this out. Again. Calling roadside. Well, roadside assistance is on its way. Just self-stop distribution. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for roadside assistance to come get me. I hope I can get this all resolved before class tonight. It's already 3 o'clock. I usually try to be at the studio no later than 6. So I'm waiting for roadside to get here and give me a jump. And then I'm gonna go over to the dealership. And I'm just hoping that this can all get done rather quickly. Otherwise, let's just hope it gets done quickly. I think he's here. Good, how are you? Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. So it looks like I may need a new battery. One thing I'm trying to learn how to do better is how to let people bless me. I'm not good at receiving things. I'm not good at receiving help. But I really truly appreciate when I do get help. And I'm just learning to accept it and just, not feel guilty, I guess, for accepting it. If somebody's in a position to help me, I'm just trying to learn how to let them, because I know that that goodness is going to come back to them. And in a weird way, if I don't accept it, it's almost like I feel like I'm blocking their blessing. So I'm trying to get more conscious and better about accepting help and just accepting when somebody else just wants to be a blessing to me. So that's today's lesson, I guess. So to my friend who is an absolute blessing to me today, you're probably never going to see this because I don't know if you do the YouTube thing or not. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And just blessings coming your way. Blessings and goodness. All right, thanks.